to bring Milton to get his nails trimmed. I'll show you. We've got him in his little pack thing here. He doesn't really like it that much. So we've got some vine balls, some Nutriberries, and some millet. We're bringing his food in a water bowl with us so we can give him some refreshments as he's out. We're gonna be out for a little bit. We have a couple more stops to make, but it's our first time going somewhere that's not a grocery store since we have been in quarantine. I've been in work at the hair salon, but I'm very strict and regimented about that. We haven't gone anywhere fun. So this is we consider fun. We'll probably get a toy or two. So come on. Guys, ignore the lipstick. It came off when we had lunch, but we've got Milton here. And we are in the car. And we are on our way. Say hi, boys. Say hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
The first time they've ever been shown on my channel. We are on our way to the bird store. See him there? I'm holding him up so he can kind of see the road. He was snuggled tight down in here in between Daddy and I, and can't really see anything. So I was just holding him up for a little bit. All right, see you soon. The bird store very early, an hour and a half early, and since there's a global pandemic going on, we couldn't really figure out what to do. So where we live, there's a place called Monon Trail. It's a walking, hiking, biking trail, and we found a little parking lot nearby where we are, so we went. We're coming here to park, and we will distantly walk for a little bit just to kill time and enjoy the beautiful greenery that there is right now. All right, see you on the trail. Checking it out. Kind of freaked out a little bit, but trying to keep him steady. Walking on the Monon. Really fun. I don't know. It's beautiful to be out and about. I always think it's interesting to find different trees and the way that they grow. These ones just look interesting to me. But the scenery is beautiful, especially when you've been stuck inside for 2 months. But we're staying distant, enjoying. Looks like they've torn some of them down here. I'm afraid to walk. Yeah, you don't go down there. There could be poison ivy or oak. And that makes it itchy. Like this, which looks like it was either a sign or power lining just in the middle. And so there was another one back there, but just super interesting features. Daddy's got Milton now. Have fun, Lucky? Holden's way up there. Taking some bites. See you at the vet store. The vet store? The bird store. That's where we'll see you. Alright guys, here we are at Bird Fever. I've got my Cody mask on and we're about to go in. Say hi, baby G. Hi, baby G. Can you say hi? Oh, pretty girl. Hi, baby G. Amazon. Another. Hi, Annie. What you got there? Oh, say hi, cutie. Hi. You got an almond there, yeah. Birds, cockatoos, this little boy's hungry. Lots of fun toys. Wow, what are you doing, beautiful? Oh my, was that scary? Hello. Hi. Oh, you were so pretty. Yeah. They have taken Milton back to get his nails trimmed, and here is BBG. We love coming to see BBG. Yes, yes. Hi, BBG. Yeah. We love her. Hi. Oh, yeah, you want to dance? Hi. Hi. You want to say it? What are you doing? Yeah, watch your fingers. Oh, upside down. Hi. This is the original Milton. Holden loved this cockatiel, and so he named ours after Milton. Hi! Peekaboo! He loves to sing. He's so cute. He's such a manly man. He will sing in your ear. Say hi! Oh! A handsome boy. Yes, you are. So, we got the nails trimmed. We got some goodies. We'll show you when we get home. So we got perches when we went in there. I'll just spoil it here. And we switched out the one we had because it kept rolling and he was having a hard time. So this one we're able to mount. And it kind of reaches over a little too far. But that's okay because it's steady and he doesn't have to worry about it rolling underneath him now. So he got his nails trimmed. You look handsome. He's just preening. We've got a big mess on the bottom of the cage. We will definitely be taking care of that when we get home. And he'll probably need another shower day because he's got poop in his tail. Alright, see you when you get home. I know I said that before. Maybe we won't. And we're back. Just got home. This is actually where this painting goes, but I bring it in the other room because I think it looks better. But we're in my room. We have Isla's cage set up right here because she's gonna quarantine in our room for the first while. So I'll be hanging out in here. I have our bag of goodies. You saw the perch that we took out and used for the travel crate, and I got another perch. I don't actually have straight perches, so I got two of them, and I think that one's gonna go for Isla, one's gonna go for Milton's cage. Super excited about it. And then we got the nail trim, obviously, you knew that. I got this Just Veggies. It is Karen's Naturals, and I was looking at the packaging, and I actually think it's marketed for humans, but I think the bird store gets it. I don't know how they do the stuff, but it's freeze-dried veggies. So we're gonna try them dry, we're gonna try them moist, see what he thinks. It might be easy. It was $7 for this little bag. It says it makes 1¼ pounds. So we'll keep up on that and let you know. And I am really excited. We got our fresh millet. We got 10 of the things, and they're actually really long. I'm gonna just show you in the bag because I don't want them all over my bed. But we got 10 of them. They sell them 5 for $3.50, so I'm real excited about having that for training for Isla. And we store it in a container, and all is good with that. And then the last thing we got, oh, here's the old perch. I'm like, what is this? I don't remember that. And then we got a little toy. Another company I've seen online have something like this, and they call it like an octopus, But I've wanted one for a while and I saw that they have them. It looks like they have their own tag here, so they might make that. I'm not sure. But it has fun little beads. It's placed right here in this little T-joint, whatever that's called, that you can put little treats in there, and then little gears, lots of fun stuff. So I'm gonna use this for Milton, see what he thinks of it, and if he doesn't like it, we'll sanitize it and give it to Isla. But that is our haul. We had a great time today. It was actually really nice being able to get out. It felt normal and it felt weird. Obviously wearing masks was different, and then for a while I actually forgot I needed to be away from people. Super strange feeling, but it was a-okay. Everything was fine, and I really enjoyed our walk on the Monon. I really enjoyed that time with our family. I hope you enjoyed the footage, but we're home now. Sorry Milton's not in the video. I tried to rope him off the fan and he was not having it, and his dad's busy doing something and I can't reach the fan, so it just didn't happen. But thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and tell me what your favorite part was. Have a good day. Bye.